Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, now if you're into cryptocurrencies, then you would have noticed one thing. In crypto, there's something called as leverage trading or futures trading. Here, futures trade is high risk, high reward earning method. In case if you're into futures trading, then you'll be knowing that turning your 1000 rupees investment into 1 lakh rupees is very easy. And also remember that burning your 1000 rupees investment is also very easy. And guys, in case if you're new to this leverage trading and in case if you're a beginner and if you have zero knowledge on future trades, then don't worry. Just watch this video till the end, okay? Without skipping. I'm gonna teach you step-by-step procedure on how to execute future trades. Okay, now what is this futures or leverage trading? In simple terms, leverage means borrowing funds. Now, for example, guess that you have $100 investment to trade. If you select 10x leverage, it means you have $1,000 to trade. Now, I know some of you might be confused, so I'll explain clearly. Listen. Now, assume that Bitcoin is trading around $20,000, and if you invested $10,000 with a 10x leverage, and if Bitcoin pumps 5%, then 10x leverage into 5% is equal to 50% profit. So, for your $10,000 investment, you'll be getting $5,000 in profit. And in case if you invested the same $10,000 and traded on the spot, then you'll be making just $500 in profit. And remember that 10x leverage is not the limit. You can take it up to 125x leverage. 125x leverage is very high risk. In case if your trade goes according to your plan, then you'll make a ton of money. If not, you lose all your investment. Guys, now some of you might ask, if it's that risky, then why are you making video on this? Guys, this video is only for those people who wanna do leverage trading or wanna get into leverage trading, and it's not for everyone, okay, because it's highly risky. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to do leverage trading on bitget exchange. Guys, if you want, you can use bitget exchange, Binance exchange, or whichever exchange you want, but I personally use a bitget exchange to do leverage trading and copy trading. Okay, now before we start the video, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. This video is just for educational purposes only and should not be taken as investment advice. Now once you come onto your bitget exchange, down below you'll find an option called futures. So click on that. So you'll get an interface just like this. And at the top you can see that I've selected a BTC USDT pair. Now if you want to trade under Ethereum or any other cryptocurrencies, then simply click on this and select whichever crypto you want. So usually I trade with Bitcoin or Ethereum. So even you can select the same or you can go with whichever you want. Now down below BTC USDT pair, you'll find something called cross. So click on this cross and select the option called isolated. Guys, I suggest you to always trade with isolated. So what is this cross and isolated? Now assume that you have 100 USDT on your futures wallet, and also assume that for trading you have used only 50 USDT. So if you're trading under isolated option and if your trade goes wrong, only the 50 USDT which you have used to trade, only that will get liquidated, and the remaining 50 USDT balance which you have on your futures wallet, that will not be affected. In case if you select the option called cross, and if your trade goes wrong, even though you selected a 50 USDT to trade, that 50 USDT and the balance 50 USDT which you have on your futures wallet, both can get liquidated. So always go with isolated option. Now to your right upper corner, you'll find something called 20x. So this 20x is the leverage, and if you want to change this, then just tap on this and you can adjust your leverage according to your needs. Guys, in case if you're new to leverage trading, then I suggest you to not go above 5x or maximum 10x. So once you set your leverage, click on confirm. Now to your right side, you'll find numbers in green and red color. The red numbers are the selling orders and the green ones are the buying orders. And the middle price here is the actual market price. So here you'll find this option called limit order. So if you click on this, it will display two options. The first one is limit order and the second one is trigger order. So if you select the first option called limit order, and if you set the price here in this box, and once the Bitcoin's price touches your price, then your order will get executed. Now if you select the second option called trigger order, then you'll have the option to enter two prices. One is trigger price and the other one is limit price. So whichever amount you enter here, at that price your order will get triggered, and the limit order price which you set here, at that price your order will get executed. Guys, I know it sounds a little bit confusing. So if you're a beginner, then I suggest you to just select the first option called limit order and set it to market price. Now the next step is you should have USDT balance on your futures wallet.
Here if you see, I have 0 USDT on my futures wallet. So if you want to transfer USDT from spot wallet to futures wallet, then you can simply click on this small green circle here, or you can go to assets, click on transfer. So you should transfer from spot to futures. The first one here is a spot, and down below is the futures. So here they have given from and to. Now I'll just enter 100 USDT and I'll click on transfer. And in case if you want to move your funds from futures wallet to spot wallet, then click on this icon here. So here you can see that I have 100 USDT balance on my futures wallet now. Guys, in case if you don't have an account on bitget exchange, then I'm gonna leave the links in the description of this video. So you can click on that link and you can create an account. And if you use my links, then you'll get few things. And I'll let you know that at the end of this video. So I have 100 USDT, right? So I'm gonna use the entire 100 USDT to trade with 10x leverage. So right now this is like trading with 1000 USDT. Now down here you have two options, buy long and sell short. So you should predict whether the market will go up or go down. So if you think the market will go up, then click on buy long. And if you think the market will go down, then click on sell short. So yeah, I forgot to talk about risk management. Here you can see that there's an option called TP/SL, right? TP stands for target price or take profits, and SL stands for stop loss. So just tick this box. Now you will have the option to enter a TP price and a stop loss price. Now under TP price, enter your selling price. Now for example, guess that Bitcoin is trading at $20,000. So you can set your TP price at $20,500. So slightly higher at which you wanna take profits. So here under SL, you all know what is stop loss. So you can enter whichever price you're comfortable with. So once you have filled out everything, you can go with buy long or sell short depending upon the situation. Now I'll go with buy long. So yes, my position is opened and the trade is running. Guys, here you can see that I'm already in profits here. So once Bitcoin pumps a little bit, then easily I can make profits. And in case if the Bitcoin price goes down, then I'll go under loss. Now similarly, if you select the sell short option, if BTC crashes or if it goes down, then your trade will be in profits. If Bitcoin price goes up, then your trade will be in negative profits. And here at the bottom you have take profit option and stop loss option. So you can click on this and re-enter your price or change your price. And here to this corner you have the close option. So if you want to close this trade, then simply just click on close trade. Here in this box, either enter the price or select the market price. Down below, select how much percentage of Bitcoin you want to close. If you want to completely close the trade, then select 100% and click on confirm.
And one more thing, if you use my referral links, which is in the description of this video, to create your bitget account, then you'll be getting a gift of 5 USDT trial fund. And the second thing is, if you have already used my referral links before, and from today till July 12th, so within this time period, if you have already deposited or if you deposit 100 USDT and trade, then you will be getting 10 USDT free. If you deposit 500 USDT, then you will be getting 50 USDT free. And if you deposit 1500 USDT, then you'll be getting 100 USDT for free. And remember one thing, if you deposit today, then you shouldn't withdraw that before July 12th, okay? If not, you will not be qualified. And you will get this reward within 5 working days after the event gets over. Guys, this is very important, so please listen carefully. Lot of scammers on YouTube, Telegram, and on Instagram have created fake profiles in my name and are scamming people. Guys, I don't ask for money or crypto from anyone, and I don't do this IDOs, or I don't create these trading accounts to anyone. So please don't send your cryptocurrencies to anyone. So if someone is asking you money or cryptocurrency, then 100% they're definitely scammers. And this is a fake Telegram channel. So those of you are following this channel, please unsubscribe from this and report this channel immediately. All my social media links will be in the description of my YouTube videos. And guys, in case if you want crypto signals or crypto related stuff, then make sure you follow me on Twitter account and Telegram channel. I'm gonna leave my social media links in the description of this video. And in case if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, so I hope this video helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, in case if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then you're on the right spot, so consider subscribing. Now in case if you're unsubscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, a peace.